Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 2, naming words, noun, from the book Grammar 1. A. Words that tell us the names of people, animals, birds, places or things are called naming words. Naming words are also called nouns. Examples boy, tiger, crow, house, ball, etc. So, जो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हमें नेम बताए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थिंग्स का, किसी भी पीपल का, एनिमल का, बर्ड्स, प्लेसेस, थिंग्स, इन सारे चीजों का जो नाम बताए, उन वर्ड्स को हम कहते हैं नेमिंग वर्ड्स. और नेमिंग वर्ड्स का अदर नेम है नाउन. वी हैव सम एग्जांपल्स एज वेल. Boy, tiger, crow, house, these all are nouns, and we have so many other examples as well. Then we have B, names of the persons. The words that name persons are nouns. तो जो ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो पर्सन के नेम को बताते हैं, उनको हम नाउन कहते हैं. Now look at the pictures given below. So there you can see we have a picture of a boy. Then we have a picture of a girl. Then this is the picture of a teacher teaching the students. Then we have the picture of a doctor. Then here is the picture of postman. Then we have the picture of policeman. Then this is the picture of soldier. And in the end we have the picture of farmer. These all are called nouns. Now we have C. Fill in the correct letters to name these nouns. So we have to fill the correct letter to complete the words. So first we have B dash Y. So we'll fill O, which makes it boy. Then second, we have G dash dash L. We have the picture of a girl. So we'll write I-R. Then we have the third one. We have the picture of a man. We have M dash N. We'll write A, which makes it man. Then we have the fourth one, P dash L dash T. This is the picture of pilot. So we'll fill I-O. Okay. Then we have the fifth one, W dash dash A dash. This is the picture of woman. So we write O-M-N. Then we have sixth one, K dash N dash. This is the picture of king. So we'll write I-G. Then we have the seventh one, Q dash E dash N. This is the picture of queen. So we'll write U E. Then we have the eighth one, N dash R S dash. This is the picture of nurse. So we'll write U and E. Now we have the IQ test. Name any 5 of your friends. So you have to tell the name of your 5 friends. For example, I'll say 5 names. Shruti, Sandhya, Sneha, Shivangi, Priya. Then we have the D. Names of the places. Words that name places are nouns. Now जो ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो प्लेसेस के भी नेम में आते हैं या बताते हैं प्लेसेस के बारे में नेम के, so those are also called nouns. We have examples: house, school, park, temple, etc. Look at the following pictures. So these are the examples of nouns. First, we have the picture of a house. Then we have the picture of school. This is the picture of park. And this is the picture of temple. Then this is the picture of zoo. This one is the picture of market. Then this is the picture of bus stop. And in the end, this is the picture of post office. Then we have the E part. Fill in the correct letters to name these nouns. So we have to fill the correct letters here to fill the nouns. First, we have K dash T dash H dash N. You can see this is the picture of kitchen. So we'll fill I, C, E. Then we have the second one, B dash S dash T dash P. This is the picture of bus stop. So we'll fill U, then S, then O. Then we have the third one, H dash U dash E. This is the picture of house. So we'll fill O, S. Then we have the fourth one. We have M dash R K dash T. This is the picture of market. So we'll fill A, E. So we have the fifth one, P dash R dash. Then we have the picture of park. So we'll fill A, K. Then the sixth one, we have T dash M dash L dash. Then we have the picture of a temple. So we'll write E, P, E. Then we have the seventh one, P dash S T dash F F dash C dash. Then we have the picture of post office. So we'll fill O, again O, then I, then E. Then we have the eighth one, Z dash dash. We have the picture of a zoo. So we'll fill O. Then we have tips to remember. The word noun comes from the Latin nomen meaning name. तो जो word noun है वो हमें Latin word nomen जिसका मतलब name होता है उससे मिला है. Then we have the F1, names of animals and birds. Words that name animals and bird are nouns. तो जो ऐसे वर्ड होते हैं जो एनिमल्स को और बर्ड्स को नेम देते हैं, अगेन उन्हें हम नाउन कहते हैं. नाउ लुक एट द फॉलोइंग पिक्चर्स. सो वी हैव द पिक्चर ऑफ एलिफेंट, देन वी हैव हॉर्स, देन वी हैव लायन, एंड हियर वी हैव टाइगर. देन दिस इज पैरेट, देन पीकॉक. Then we have pigeon and a crow. Now G, match the names of animals and birds with the correct pictures. So we have to match the name of animals and birds with their correct picture. So in the first one we have the picture of deer. We'll match this with this. In the second one, we have the picture of a sparrow. So we'll match this with this one. Then in the third one, we have the picture of a dog. So we'll match with this one. Then in the fourth one, we have the picture of a camel. So we'll match this with this one. In the fifth one, we have the picture of an owl. So we'll match this with this one. And then this is the picture of giraffe. So we'll match this with this one. Then we have the picture of ostrich. So we'll match this with this one. Then this is the picture of rabbit. So we'll match here. Now we have the H, names of the things. Words that name things are noun. Look at the following pictures. So, जो ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो थिंग्स को नेम करते हैं, अगेन उन्हें हम नाउन कहते हैं. Now we have some pictures. We have car, then fan, then a bat, then umbrella. Then we have the picture of kite. This is the picture of a ball. Then we have balloon, and here is the cup. Then I fill in the correct letters to name these nouns. So we have to fill the correct letters to write the name of the nouns. First, C dash M dash R dash. This is the picture of a camera. So we'll fill A, E, A. Then we have the second one, C dash A I dash. This is the picture of a chair. So we'll fill H R. Then we have the third one, T dash P. This is the picture of top. So we'll write O. Then fourth, D dash L L. This is the picture of a doll. So we'll write O. Then we have the fifth one, B dash dash K. This is the picture of a book. So we'll write O, O. Then we have the sixth one, C dash K dash. This is the picture of a cake. So we'll write A, then E. Then we have the seventh one, L dash C dash. This is the picture of a lock. So we'll write O, K. Then we have the eighth one, C dash P. This is the picture of a cap. So we'll write A. Then we have the tips to remember. Names of flowers, fruits, vegetables are also nouns. Then we have the J. Tick the correct option to name these people. First, who teaches in a school? So हमें स्कूल में कौन टीच करता है? We have some options. A doctor, B a teacher, C a nurse. The correct answer is a teacher. We have the second question. Who treats us when we are ill? जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो हमें कौन treat करता है? We have some options. A tailor, B a cobbler, C a doctor. The correct answer is a doctor. So, I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.